Okay, let's start. I'll show basic operation for this sort of file. We can create new job here. It will create an empty file so we can append other files, or we can open a job. Job is JB extension, and it's native ikocam format, and we can save as different name. Before we can we open any file, we have to import it from DXF, SVG, or bitmap. But for this video, we're gonna just open existing file to practice with it. So I'll open DXF file saved as in inches because my machine is set for inches. You can anytime switch from inches to millimeters. Okay, let's find some file like, okay, this one. I can select all or deselect all. When I select, I can delete. But I'll undo this because I don't want to delete everything. Here is how you make copies of part that is selected. Using this arrow, you can make as many as you want, but if I select all now and go this way, I do this. So I'll undo everything here. You can array parts by using this, like 4 by 2. And you see, okay, I can use this pointer. Those are radio button. That means just one can be selected, and this is how you decide what is your tools when you press on a drawing area. Let's say I'll just select pointer and move. That's how I move all parts around. I can use right button on mouse and pan everything. I can use this to center my drawing, but I can also do it if I press middle rolling button on my mouse here. Also here I zoom to a certain area, like here if I want to be more detailed, to see some detail. But also I can zoom to full table or zoom to drawing. Yeah, here is, when it's something is outside of the table, it will make a big zoom, so you see that some parts are outside. Using this, you can select by area rectangle, select this, delete them, select this and delete them, and now I'll demonstrate. Okay, zoom to parts. I'll explain all this radio button here now. So this is for zooming to rectangle, this is for selecting, and this is for deselecting. I told you already, this one is for moving one part. And you see this, I'll select all, you see this little square here that is lead in position. Also you can see that outside cut is blue and inside cut is light blue. Outside cut are always going clockwise and inside cut counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. So blue is outside cut, light blue is inside cut, and a yellow color always represent something that has to do with selections. So if part is selected, then it's yellow. If the other is selected, it's yellow. So that's it. I can move my lead in from here to here. I can do it on tools set leads in automatic, and if I don't like that, then I can do it manually, move it anywhere where I want. Here I'll open another file to demonstrate something else, like this one, and I'll need just one, so I'll delete this one and zoom to parts. Here I can see labels. Look, light blue color means labels for inside cuts, and I can see path here. This inside path is always close to optimize. I use traveling salesman algorithm to order this part, and you don't have to spend your time trying to achieve better because you'll not save much time. You can reorder, please select one. You can reorder all this if you want, but I don't recommend it. You see, but you can reorder automatically. You see, it's pretty and probably optimal, best solution. So CNC machine will travel less inches. Look, here is light blue and here is blue. That's in the case when you have blue is to order parts, light blue to order inside the parts, because it's represented with light blue color. I'll open the other file to demonstrate that, because I have just one and I don't want to spend time copying it. I have some other file with more elements, parts in, and you see I'll turn off label in, and usually label and path for inside we are not used much. But now if I see labels, I can see numbers for each part, and I can see path for each part. Okay, with this button you zoom in, this zoom out, this is zoom to all parts, zoom to table. If you want to cut something for money and you want to know how many inches in length, you get everything here. And text is copied into clipboard. You paste it into Excel and make offer to your customer or whatever. So if I select this and I want to resize that, I can do it here by resizing it for to make it double bigger. I can move it here and make it like, but here if you want scale to fit, I want this to be like 11 inches. A program will calculate scale factor and do it for me. This button, which button? Okay. Here is for mirroring parts, but you don't use those so often. Here is undo or redo, and you can do up to 20. You can go back 20 position. Like to move a part, you select it first and then move it, but before you have to select steps. It will jump for 1.5 inches now, left, right. Also, you can use Control and arrow left, or Control and page up for rotating. Now I will delete this part. And what else? Here is offset and a lead distance, so that's how far is piercing point from the line, cutting line. I can type it here, but I can change here, choose plasma, water jet, flame, laser, or if I want to be more precise, I can choose my material and plasma unit that I'm using, because all those two numbers depending on it. If I choose material, plasma steel, ½ inch, 0.5 inch thickness, okay, and when I set that, it's here. Let's show how you convert file. You have DXF, SVG, or bitmap. let's do for DXF. First you choose DXF, and I choose this one. Then I check unit, so that is that file saved in units, like my table, let's say inches. Yeah, it is, and it doesn't have, you see here, factor, scale factor is 1, so it doesn't have to be resized. And then third step, always press 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and number 3, native ikocam format. And now I can choose to close, I can choose to convert more file, or open that one. I open that one. I can preview offset. Let's zoom it. I can move lead in position, and I can generate G-code for this by first I'll choose arc. I already set material generate, and this is G-code. I can save it and close it. That's it.